going on, guys? Okay, so there's a cruise going on today. It's Saturday night. It's about 8:45, somewhere around there. I don't know exactly what time it is at the moment, but there's gonna be a cruise going on tonight, starting at Shields and ending all the way at the Capitol, like this Salt Lake City State Capitol. So I'm gonna be attending that. Unfortunately, I'm gonna be going alone. Brian couldn't make it, and a couple of his other buddies won't be able to make it. Like one dude, his car is in pieces. Coda, he's not gonna make it. He's still in St. George. So I'm just gonna be a lone ranger today. But right now we're gonna go get gas, and after that we're gonna, you know, just go ahead and cruise over there and see who we can meet over there. So definitely stay tuned. This is definitely a first for me. I know nobody whatsoever, so I don't know. Let's see how this goes. So stay tuned, guys. Don't worry, I only use 85 because this car isn't turboed. If it was turboed, I would go for 91 all day, but since it's not, you know, it's just a Slamry, I don't really care. 85 works, does the job, cheap, and this is just a beater, a winter beater. Who cares what gas it drinks? Doesn't matter.
A whole lot floppy eared dogs to the program. Time for your ESTV on the.
Oh shit. All right, so let's go to the car meet, guys. I'll see you guys there. All right, so I'm at the car meet now. I don't know how to go about this. This is a completely new area. I know nobody whatsoever. So I guess we just fucking YOLO swag it, right? So let's fucking do this. So I already did a complete walk around. There's only one GTR that I can really see. Here's a Honorable Fox body 5.0. Not too sure what's completely under it, but I don't know. I guess we'll have to see where that goes. Let's see. Let's go talk to this dude over here. He's got the GTR, so let's go do it. Thing is sick. It's a pretty big turnout, honestly. There's quite a few people all the way around. Granted, like I said, I know nobody whatsoever, but here's another pretty sick FRS or BRZ, GT86, whatever. The same fucking thing. It's whatever. But I don't know. Let's see. Let's just go find someone to talk to. I don't even care. Or let's just find someone to find a group. Let's see. Who should be my first victims? Let's go over here. Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up, bro?
Not much. So, what was that?
How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good, man. How about you?
So bad.
What are your guys' names?
Juan.
Juan?
Yeah.
I'm Zach, man.
Zach.
Nice to meet you. Your name?
Martin.
Martin?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Is this what you guys drive right here?
That's mine right here.
Oh, yours? Okay, okay. You wanna tell me a little bit about it, man?
Nothing much, you know. I just barely got it back from the shop too.
Oh, okay.
It has a new transmission. Because the previous owner, he didn't really take care of it well. So
Oh, really?
He had to do all these shit to it. It has a new clutch, new flywheel, tranny, the freaking whole block all rebuilt. So.
Oh, okay, okay.
Other than that, I just got the freaking. I'm in debt with this shit. I just got the headlights, the gauges over there, and
Really?
Just
Like the
about it.
whole like the pod system and stuff on the side,
yeah.
where it's like on the B pillar or something like that, A pillar.
Yep.
Yeah, I got you. Okay, okay.
Pillar pods.
Oh,
Congratulations, yeah, the pillar pods. That's pretty cool.
okay, okay. Right on.
Experience.
That's pretty dope. Not too shabby.
It's bad.
Pretty sick people. Not too shabby. Let's see. Who else can I talk to? All right. No, I don't want to look at diesels. I grew up with too many diesels. It's a Duramax. No one cares. Oh, there's an S13 over here. Let's go check that out.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, sorry.
What the fuck, man? You can't use that unless there's.
I think I'll call the cops. I won't go to jail.
Alright, dude, let's put maple syrup in it.
What was
and see
that?
if the bitch runs. The fuck?
Yeah.
So is this your car, man?
Yes.
Okay. So I got a quick question. What inspired you to do this big motor swap? I'm guessing it's an
I actually bought it
RB25.
from my friend that did the swap.
Is it an RB25?
Yeah, RB25.
Okay, okay.
So he did the swap. He did all the work for it. And
Okay.
now I'm just buttoning up some stuff that I don't like on it, which there's still quite a bit. But
Okay, okay. All right.
this is just going to become a little somewhat drifter, but it's not going to be the bash car.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. No, I saw this and I was like, oh, sick. There's an S13 over here. Might as well go check it out. And then I was not expecting this under the hood. This is pretty cool, though.
How much wash did it throw it in?
I didn't throw it in. I bought it.
You bought it like that?
I bought it for my friend.
I'm thinking of doing that to mine, but I don't know.
Really?
I'm thinking of doing a 5.0 instead. It's just easier, no tuning, none of that shit.
I've after all my research that I've done, it's more sensible to do a 2-bay or even a
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of, just doing something.
Pretty sick.
I've
Never seen an RB25 and an S13 before.
Yeah, it's great. But as far as power and everything and all the little issues that RVs have, the 2J is better.
Pretty dope. That guy was pretty sick. RB25 swapped S13 hatch. Don't really see those every day. Let's see, who else can I go, who else's car that I can go check out? I feel like I've seen this one at Scrape Fest. I could have. Here's a Hawkeye Subi. G35. 2 G35s. Okay. Not too shabby. Not shabby at all. WRX. So I think the cruise is just about to start. I'm not too sure where everybody's going, but I'm very lost. So I don't know. I guess just enjoy all of these videos. Got a bug eye. I guess I just followed the group. We're gonna be cruising on this Capitol Street. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm cleaning off the lens. Cruising on this Capitol Street. I'm not too sure where everybody's going. So yeah, maybe I can get some sick rollers with this GTR. I'm gonna definitely try to. That'll be dope. We're gonna shoot this gap right here. Hey, what's going on, guys? So we just got done with the cruise. We're here at the state capital of Utah now. So part 2 will be the next video. So just give us a second and I'll be getting rolling on that. So Click the link in the description for part 2. And yeah, so part 2, here we go.